Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your speaker Realme Pocket Bluetooth. To make a hard reset, just press and hold power button for at least 10 seconds until you can see that LED start flashing green and red. Now it's turned off, but it's okay. And here we go, we can see a blinking. So just click on the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget device. And right now it should enter to prank mode, and it make it, so just click on it. And here we go, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!